Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Roblox profile picture. So first you need to go to this link that I will have added as a pinned comment, and basically you need to copy all of this code right here. It's completely safe, so don't worry about it. Basically just highlight it, right click and copy. Then go back to your Roblox, click on your profile right here in the top right corner, and then right click anywhere on the page, inspect, and then go to the console. So right here, after we have entered the console, we want to right click and paste the code that we just copied, and then we need to change two things. Right here where it says distance scale, we want to delete this 2 and make it a 1, and then right here where it says thumbnail type 1, you want to delete it and then type 2. And then after you have done this, or after you have done these changes, you can press enter and it should be done. Your profile icon should be reset. Simply reload the page. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.